this video, let's talk about my younger version first official travel in the outskirts and mountainous area in China. Yes guys, I'm talking about my son, my maiden boy. This is a travel that I think will going to open his eyes about the things that you don't learn, see, feel, or experience inside the 4x4 corner of his school. Hey guys, it's Ferdinand here and welcome to DIY travel inside China. We are going to a place called JiuYiShan. Sounds like a Chinese, isn't it? Yes indeed. JiuYiShan is a Chinese Mandarin word which when translated directly into English, it is called the Nine Mountains. These 9 mountains, you can find the resting place of Sundi. Join me in this adventure and we'll show you the resting place of Sundi. Amazing architecture actually. It's one of the best so far that I've ever seen. This is our very first tag team travel, so it's really a memorable one as he still cannot go with me hiking in the mountain to dwell with the nature and experience Mother Earth's natural healing power. You know, it's not so easy to bring my Nathan boy with me in my small travel adventure. There are many concerns from the family, like the climate, which goes down to a freezing point, safety matters, the choice of food. You know, kids like beautiful stuff, attractive stuff, but they're not healthy. Security matters, and so on and so forth. You probably know the Chinese way, the Chinese style. Well, don't worry if you don't. Maybe one time we can talk about it. All I can say right now is that it's been a challenge to bring my son to my very small travel adventure. It's a 10 RMB and I'm going to pay it with WeChat. Kailan ba? Oh, come on! Let me see what you got. Let me see what you got. That's for the kids. Uh-huh. Can you imagine that? That's for kids. At first, he just interested with toys, playing games, and he seems don't mind about the historical significance of this place.
我确定了。
那个是什么？老鹰吗？
老鹰的。
那要老鹰吗？我看一下。
我看给你看一下啊。
你看大家，我们家里 ，That's the good one.
爸爸，我看你能买一个 snake。
Snake. Which one? Oh, nag snake ma? After those games and toys, it's time to bring Nathan inside the temple to let him understand about this place. We need a ticket to go inside. Oh, so we're gonna get a guide to give us something. The tour guide is not free. I need to pay. And thanks to WeChat Pay that I can easily pay her with the WeChat Pay and WeChat wallet. It's just the right time when we go inside. It's really like the time is planned to witness the ceremony of Sundi. Sundi 是以前是那个皇帝吗？
对，舜帝是一位帝王啊，上古时期的一位部落首领，
Yeah.
是我们三皇五帝中最后一位啊。
Oh, yeah. So this is a Sundi statue. My accent is becoming bad. Me and my son also paid respect to the late Emperor Sundi. I mean, look at that man. He probably don't have a clear idea of what we are about to do because his concentration is in his height. Always keep that in his hand. I had to take that away while doing the bow respect. A 3 times bow standing, a 3 times bow kneeling to the statue of Sundi as well as to his tomb. It's a kind of respect in the Chinese way. Take note of that guys, in the Chinese way. Take care of my son, protect my son, and let's go! Oh. This is really amazing place guys. You should visit this place. and you're gonna experience the life 2,000 years before Christ. This structure, they are fabulous, awesome, and the architecture is really, really unique to the Chinese. Look at that, blue color, green, amazing architecture, amazing one. Ah, so nice. The mountain, I'm gonna climb that one day. And finally, he registered and got his certificate proving that he visited this place, the first ever certificate next to his kindergarten certificate. Man, look at him, look at him. He's so cute. Looks like he was awarded with dignity with the highest award for this event. It's so cool. I mean, I'm so happy to see him having this achievement at 7 years old, something that I haven't done before with my own self. Getting his first certificate to visit a legendary place like JiuYiShan. Well, that's the end of our journey, a tag team between father and son. I had to say goodbye to the tour guide.
那这边呢，我的讲解就结束了啊，
谢谢
我们到机场时程啊，
再见，
再来啊，
拜拜。Nathan baby，我们现在出来了 ，Let's go。
OK。
Okay, yeah. Thank you to the late Emperor Sundi. I promise him I will come back and take a video and tell the world about his resting place, his legendary story, the good things he done, his virtue, his moral, and the sum total of his personality. So my friends at YouTube, watch out this video and I will publish in the next coming video. Stay tuned guys, stay tuned. I got it! Finally, I got it! I hope you like this video. I hope it gives you a bit of an idea to get going with your DIY travel wherever you are, with your loved one, with your son, or with your family. Kindly subscribe to my channel for me and my Nathan boy. And you know what? By subscribing, you are helping my channel to grow and let me stay at YouTube. Thank you for watching. Bye for now and see you in the next video.